Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The Porsche 911 series has gained an update with an all-new drivetrain which is quicker and more powerful than before. The upgraded GTS uses a 3.6-liter flat-six turbo engine combined with a lithium-ion battery and a gearbox-mounted electric motor, now putting out 541 PS and 610 Nm of torque, up by 12.7% and 7.1% respectively from before, driving the rear wheels through an 8 DCT. This will do 0 to 100 km/h in a claimed 3.0 second or 0.4 second down from before, 0 to 160 km/h in 6.8 second, and 0 to 200 km/h in a 10.4 second. The top speed is 312 km/h or 194 mph. The 1.9 kWh battery pack does not need external charging. This improvement in performance comes despite the increase of weight by 50 kg. The hybrid setup is named the Hybrid. Then comes the best Carrera, which uses 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flag 6 engine, now putting out 394 PS and 450 Nm of torque. The power is up by 1.5%, enabling the 0 to 100 km/h sprint to 3.9 seconds, just 0.1 second faster than before. Convertible models are 0.1 second slower to 100 km/h than the coupe. The updated GTS gained rear-wheel steering, a new front bumper, new headlights with matrix LEDs as standard, active cooling flap, and an updated version of the active chassis control system. Inside, the analog dials have been ditched in favor of the 12.65-inch fully digital gauge cluster. Okay guys, what do you think about 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet in Gentian Blue Metallic? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.